One love ni. Hindi nga ako nakakapag-message sa Bigo. WhatsApp nyo ang kukunin ko. Or Nabs, why? Why you follow me? Philippines. I'm very sad. I want to stop Bigo. Kuya or Dubs, Pilipino ka ba? I want to stop Bigo next year if I don't. Pilipino ka pala? Bigay mo na lang WhatsApp mo, kuya, dito. Walang pumapasok, Berto. No, PB, you. I cannot send message in Bigo. I don't know why. Always red. Maybe restriction. You can message me, PB, on Instagram. What? Berto, wala. No message, PB. No message. Anlano. Hello, Anlano. Anlanoy. Who's that? Aiko. Hello, Aiko. Ay, host ka ba, Aiko? Host ka ba? Supremo. Skip. Guys, meron po tayong private, ha? Private po natin. Private po natin is 2,000 po. Solo po. Solo po 2,000 kasi po, hindi po tayo nagpa-private ng madamihan. Ang private po natin ay solo. Solo po. As in solo. Ikaw at ako lang. Kaya yung price po is ganun. We can start. But, if you want sample or call, first, no. I tell you first. I tell you honesty. If you want to avail me, you need the papers and then we can call. Berto. Sino kaya si Ornabs? Wala bang ano? Kuya Berto, follow mo ako. Hindi mo naman ako pinalo. I hope so. I can be host na lang. I'm always praying that someday I cannot message PB. You message your number. I cannot message PB. You message me. Thank you. Even and beautiful. Yeah. Hello, PB. Not fine. What? What do you mean? Can man bote? I don't understand. So you can private me. But you need to... Hello, PB. Ano ka ba, PB? Pilipino ka ba? Sure, hanging out without friends, with friends. I see. Are you a host? Are you a host or supporter, spender? Bakit Berto? Bakit mo tinatanong? No, PB, I asked you if you are Filipino. Aiko, Bigusev. Hello po. Aiko, are you a host or spender? PB, I asking if you are Filipino. Oh, I see. So, you cannot private me because in Australia, no. I have no sample, PB. So, don't, how to avail po. PM po kayo sa, sa Bigo. Tapos, bigay niyo po yung WhatsApp niyo. It's okay, Aiko. Berto, PM mo sa akin yung WhatsApp mo. Saka, ayan yung solo ko, ayan o. Yung nakalagay sa sticker. Solo, yan yung price. It's okay, I understand. Bakit anong meron, Chris? Oh, hindi ako nagpapa-message sa IG. It's okay, Aiko. Berto, host ka ba? O anong gagawin ko naman, Chris? Oh, sa message mo. Shipon. Maestro. Hindi ako nag-accept. Hindi ka naman nag-private, eh. Bakit? PB. Oh, talaga. Nasaan ka ba? Tapos nabighani ka pa sa akin. You cannot pay, maybe you cannot pay GCash. And also, I tell you, I don't have sample. You never called me. If you are paid, so we can start.